third contestant. Let's see how he likes it. So, how do you like it? Delicious?
I'm gonna try it one more time and see if I like it. I like it. Delicious!
Yeah, it's delicious. If you think we're crazy, then you're wrong. Slime is delicious. Slime explosion.
We got slime in it.
It's just like cheddar. It's just like cheddar explosion, only slime.
Yep, because you have to put real slime in it. You put real slime in it.
It's delicious.
Then you stir it all up. You should make it. You gotta stir it up. Delicious. I have a headache. Do not look at my arm. Yay!